I enjoy operating. I enjoy moving stuff around. I enjoy organizing. So it was a perfect fit for me. Yeah, in any kind of average day, we're going to be breaking down reclaimed material. First thing, that's what we'd like to do first thing in the morning, is break down the stuff from the day before. All material that's in the fields that's not used anymore comes here. We divvy it out, sort it out, recycle what we can. We issue and stock material all day, inside and out, so we'll use various forklifts, some of it by hand, some of it with a forklift. My favorite thing, I think, we use the large forklifts outside, the Pettibone style forklifts that we move our poles with. It's the most fun. It's kind of like driving a monster truck a little bit. You sit really high up in the cab. It's a really big unit, 25,000 pound capacity on the bigger one. So I think moving the poles is fun just because of the sheer size of them. It really is it's interesting, and it's always a little different. And it's a challenge, but it's also really fun. It kind of plays with that little kid in you playing with big trucks. So it's what we kind of get to do it at work, get paid for it. It's kind of awesome. We also do a lot of paperwork. We have to do a lot of research with certain parts, when they're coming in, when they're not coming in, stock outs. We also are constantly innovating different ways of doing things, whether it's how we make our hand coils or how we store general material, whether it's poles or transformers or reels. Constantly getting better and getting more efficient every day. So storm season for the warehouse gets busier, obviously much busier. We have the month or so before storm season, or a few months before storm season, our quantities of storm style materials goes up. So poles, transformers, cutouts, cross arms, all the things that are damaged during a typical storm blowdown. We all want our power back on. Our power goes out too. At our houses sometimes. We understand how it is, and we try to do stuff as quickly as possible, because we know that we have family members out of power as well sometimes too. So we know that it's important to get it back on, and without the material, it's hard for the crew to get stuff restored. So it's definitely a team effort. There's a lot of different entities that go into any sort of storm restoration or just power delivery in general. I enjoy coming to the same place every day. I enjoy organizing things. I enjoy improving processes, and this is a perfect place for me to do that. I enjoy the coworkers. There's an influx of new people coming in, which is great, because then I can help them along with the knowledge that I have, and then they can also bring in new innovative things for us to see too. So it's been a great place for me. I don't plan on going anywhere.